Hello everyone. How we can search text using terminal? Actually, there's a command called grep. Using this command, we can search text available in a file. Now, this command is case sensitive. You know what I mean? Capital A, simple A, like that. Now, to get started, we have to say grep and then search keyword. I want to search Sam. In what file? The file is names.txt. Now make sure you are in the same directory of the text file. Here I am in the desktop. Here you can see it received all the cases which is starting with Sam. Actually this grep command will search values line by line. That's why it is providing us this beautiful list. Okay, you can see it is searching line by line. Now you can see there are only letters starting with capital because here we provided capital S. As I says, this is case sensitive. This grep command is case sensitive. Now fortunately there is an option that help us to say we want to search both capital and simple letters. For that we can say grep hyphen I and then search keyword. I will say Sam. In the here I included this capital letter Sam and then the file name which is names.txt. Here it gave us I had to clear text, otherwise it is not clear. Now here we can see all words given with start with capital S as well as here there are no simple letters. I will add one more. Let's say in the text file okay, here randomly I'm going to choose some position and type some name here. Sam, Saman, Sandira, Sanoj, like that. Now I want to search again. I will say grep and then hyphen I, then the search keyword I will say Sam, then the file name which is name.txt. Here if I scroll, actually we are provide name.txt but the file name is names.txt. Now we can add names.txt. Now if we scroll to the down here we can see this someone. Okay, now here you can see it gave us all the words which is starting with Sam as well as containing that word. Here for example Sam ending with Sam and in the middle there is Sam. Okay, alright, now how we can perform a search which is checking extract value in the line. For example, if we want to search something called the Samora, we have to search extract value. For that we can use command grep hyphen w and then the word I will say Samora and file name names.txt. You can see this text has been received. Now for example if we add another Samora here, it will produce two lines like this. Okay, that's how to search extract value using this grep command. Okay, I hope you learned everything that we can do. Okay, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.